Hey guys, welcome back to Eternity Warrior Fit channel. So glad to have you here. Today is day 4 of our 30 days to sexier abs. So if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe to our channel. We have so many great videos, recipes, anti-aging stuff coming to you. I mean, you name it. So tap that bell, plus you want to get notified of day 5, right? So we're going to go ahead and start 6-minute abs. We're going to do 45-second intervals of bicycles and various planks, all right? So let's get started, and we shock those muscles by doing something different every single day for our abs. So start off in your plank pose. So if your wrists bother you, you can come down to your forearms, but all in all, you tuck your pelvis forward and up, bringing that belly button to your spine, okay? So let's get started, and we'll do various variations, and if you need a break, you just hold it in plank or come down to your knees. Let's get started. Start the timer. Here we go. Plank position, 45 seconds. Hold it tight. This one is just a solid plank. So get your form here, because once we start doing variations, you want to make sure that you are in alignment. So heels over balls of your feet, and you're pushing into your palms, pushing the belly button into your spine, really sucking in the core, wrapping the ribs up and in. We have 15 seconds, guys. Turn those triceps in and under, wrap them up. Suck it in, keep breathing. We have 5 seconds before we flip it over and go to bicycles. Good job. Go down to bicycles. And we have 45 seconds. So with bicycles, you guys, really try to get that shoulder blade off the ground. Usually people say elbow to knee, which is good. But if you try to reach your shoulder off the ground and get your shoulder up towards your kneecap, you get a bit more in terms of work. So you're not twisting. Sometimes people tend to leave their shoulder blades down and just do the motions. But really squeeze, guys. Squeeze every muscle back into planks. Here we go. Okay, so for these planks, you guys, you can either do step out, and you can make it as far as you want, but you're working those outer thighs and your abs and your obliques. So if you want to drag that toe, you can. You don't have to keep it floating, but suck the abs up and in, pressing into your palms, puffing up the upper back. We have 10 seconds before we go back into bicycles. You guys are doing awesome. This is a variation. You don't have to do it. And now we go back into bicycles. Keep it going. Keep breathing. Go as fast or as slow as you want. We only have 6 minutes to burn out our abdominals. Keep it going, you guys. Shoulder blade off the ground, alternate knees. Get that leg low. Keep breathing. In through the nose, out through the mouth. 10 seconds. You can take a break if you need it. And now right back into planks. So find your plank, and this time we're gonna go into ladder. So hold your plank. Maybe you wanna hold it a little wider with your feet. So open up your feet, maybe mat width, and come down to your elbows and push up into plank. So down to forearm plank and alternate hands. Keeping that core in, keeping that core tight. Make sure those hips aren't swaying back and forth. 15 seconds. Keep breathing. Keep holding that core tight. You guys are warriors. You can push through. All right, one more. back into bicycles. The faster your transitions, the better. So lift up that shoulder blade. Go as fast as you can. Push yourself to the limit. Keep breathing. You feel that burn? Good. It's not gonna kill you. It's gonna make you stronger, like the song. That's right. Keep breathing. Get the oxygen down to those abs. Keep the chin away from the chest. Bring that leg low. And another plank. Roll it up and come into your plank. So from here, we're gonna go down to our forearms and we're gonna roll forward and back, forward and back. It's a very slight movement. We're getting ready for the next plank. We have 20 seconds here, guys. Just find some movement in your plank, forward and back, pushing into the forearms like you would push into the hands. So you're still really engaging that core. Keep your butt down. I know that butt wants to go up. And now flip it back around. Guess what? We're done. If you want, you can do a whole nother set if that's not enough for you. But if you do this with me for 30 days, you guys, you're gonna notice a difference. You're gonna have a stronger core, and a stronger core means less back pain, more balance, and so much more. So thanks for showing up. Leave a comment. We love you guys. We'll see you tomorrow.